Now start Advanced Math class 10, exercise 2.2, question number 7, 4 and 5. Solve the following equations. Question number 4, 1 plus I into x minus twice I by 3 plus I plus 2 minus thrice I into y plus I by 3 minus I equals to 0 plus I into 1. Question number 5, I plus 2 by I into 1 minus I by 1 plus I equals to x plus I y. Solution number 4. Okay, given that 1 plus I into x minus twice I by 3 plus I plus 2 minus thrice I into y plus I by 3 minus I equals to 0 plus I into 1. Okay, we have so x plus I x minus twice I by 3 plus I, okay, plus twice y minus 3I y plus I by 3 minus I equals to 0 plus I into 1. Okay, now you take LCM. So what happened here, you can see, so you can write 3 plus I into 3 minus I. Okay, now you can see here 3 plus I. Okay, here 3 plus I, 3 plus I, here 3 plus I. So 3 minus I into x plus ix minus twice I plus 3 plus I into twice y minus 3 iy plus I equals to 0 plus I into 1. Okay, now you have to write denominator. So you can see here a plus b into a minus b, then you can write a square minus b square, that means 3 square minus I square. Okay, now multiple this one. Okay, so what happened, thrice x plus 3ix minus 6I minus ix minus I square x plus twice I square plus 6y minus 9iy, okay, minus 9iy plus 3I plus twice iy minus 3I square y plus I square, okay, equals to 0 into I plus 1. Okay, now you can write denominator how much you got. You can see how much you got. 3 square means 9, so 9 plus 1, I square means minus 1, then minus minus plus. Okay, now you can see here this one, sorry, now you can write 3x plus, now you can see here 3ix plus, okay, plus 3ix, here minus ix, then you can write twice ix, okay, minus, you can see here this one minus 6i and this one plus 3i, so you can write minus 3i, okay, plus I square means minus 1, so plus x minus 2, okay, plus 6y. Now you can see here this one minus 9iy, this one plus twice iy, okay, then you can write minus 7iy, okay, minus, then minus minus plus, so 3y minus 1 equals to 0 plus I into 1, so 0 plus I into 1. Okay, now you have to write denominator how much, 10, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, now you can see this one plus thrice x, this one plus x, so you have to write 4x, okay, plus twice I x minus 3I, okay, so minus this one minus 2, this one minus 1, so minus 3 plus this one 6y, this one thrice y, so both are plus. Then you can write 9y minus 7i y equals to 0 plus I into 1. Okay, again you have to write, so denominator how much you got? 10. Okay, so you have to write 4x plus 9y. Okay, 4x plus 9y minus 3 plus 2ix minus 7iy minus 3i equals to what happened? 0 plus I into 1. Okay, so what happened here? You can see next line. So denominator 10. Okay, 4x plus 9y minus 3. Now you take common I, so I twice x minus 7y minus 3. Okay, so equals to 0 plus I into 1. Now comparing in the real and imaginary part, we get. Now you can see which one imaginary and which one real. Okay, this one real part, which one? 4x plus 9y minus 3, this one real part, and this one I of twice x minus 7y minus 3, this one imaginary part. So you can write separate. Okay, so 4x plus 9y minus 3 by 10 equals to 0. Okay, and twice x minus 7y minus 3 by 10 equals to 1. Okay, now you do cross multiple. So what happened? 4x plus 9y minus 3 equals to 0. This one equation number 1. Okay, and this one you do cross multiples. So twice x minus 7y minus 3 equals to 10. Then how much? You can see next time what you can write next time. So twice x minus 7y minus 3 minus 10 equals to 0. So we have to write twice x minus 7y minus 13 equals to 0. This one equation number 2. Okay, this one equation number 2. Now you have to multiple equation number 2 by 2. Okay, now equation number 2 by 2. Okay, so what happened? 4x minus 14y minus 26 equals to 0. This one equation number 3. Okay, therefore you have to subtract it 3 minus 1. So what happened? 3 minus 1. Okay, so 4x minus 14y minus 26 minus 4x minus 9y plus 3 equals to 0. Now this one plus 4x and this one minus 4x, so will be cut. Okay, this one cut. Then how much you got? You can see minus 14y and minus 9y, then minus 23y minus 23 equals to 0. Okay, so what happened? Minus 23y equals to 23. Okay, therefore y equals to 23 by minus 23. Then what happened? You can see here minus 1. So y equals to minus 1. Now putting the value of y. Okay, putting putting a y equals to minus 1 in equation number 1. So what happened? 4x plus 9 into minus 1 minus 3 equals to 0. So what happened? 4x minus 9 minus 3, okay, equals to 0. So what happened? 4x minus 12 equals to 0. Then 4x equals to 12. So x equals to 12 by 4. Then how much? 3 become, okay. Hence x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 1. This one answer. Now we have to find question number 4, okay. Question number 5. Now we have to find question number 5, okay. So question number 5, given that I plus 2 by I into 1 minus I, 1 plus I equals to x plus I y. Now this one you have to write I plus 2 into I by I into I, okay, multiplying both numerator and denominator by I, okay. Now this one you do rationalist. So what happened? 1 plus I into 1 minus I. So what happened here? 1 minus I of 1 minus I, okay, equals to x plus I y, okay. Now you can see here what happened here? I plus twice I by minus 1. Minus 1 means how to becomes? I into I. That means I square. So I square equals to, you know, minus 1. So we can write, okay. So now this one you can see denominator 1 square minus I square, then numerator a minus b whole square. So 1 square minus 2 into 1 into I plus I square, okay, equals to x plus I y, okay. So what happened here? You can see I minus twice I, okay. So what happened? Numerator 1 minus twice I minus 1 by 1 plus 1, okay. So what happened? X plus I y, okay. Now what happened here? You can see, so minus I into this one plus 1, this one minus 1, okay, will be cut. Minus twice I by 2 equals to x plus I y, okay. So what happened? Minus I, this two will be cut. Minus I equals to x plus I y, okay. Now you can see minus minus will be cut, then I square equals to minus 1. You have to write minus 1 equals to x plus I y. So you have to write minus 1 plus 0, okay, equals to x plus I y. Now comparing real and imaginary part. We get, so x equals to minus 1 and y equals to 0, okay. This one answer, okay. Subscribe my channel.